Hey, how's it going? This is Owen from Bright Marketing. I called you guys a little bit earlier today. I forgot who I spoke to, but they pointed me in the direction of, I believe, Hannah or Melissa. So I wanted to shoot this video for you guys, just covering a couple different things that I noticed that will help you rank higher. So I want to do a quick audit and kind of let you guys know what I see and then where you guys would get the most value from, right? So first thing I wanted to cover with you is content. When someone is searching for, let's say gas line repair, plumbing repair, or like, for example, on your website right here, sewer specialists in your area of Santa Monica or just in general, Google starts crawling websites and they're searching for stuff, trying to rank what they find. They're trying to figure out what website should be first, which ones are the most relevant, and then which website should be second, third, and so on. They are looking for keywords and they're reading the content to figure out that order, right? So if someone is searching for gas line repair Santa Monica and you have that word on your website, you're going to become more relevant and it's more likely that they will list you higher. In addition to that, they come through and they actually read the content on your website. They're trying to determine whether or not you're an expert on this, what areas you're in, and the services that you're offering. So Google likes to see around 2,000 words on your homepage. I did a quick count for you guys' words, and you're around 439 words, so not quite at that 2,000, not quite at those 2,000 words just yet. And you guys have some keywords in here, but you're missing a lot of those important keywords. So it's going to make it difficult for Google to understand what you guys do, what services you offer. And it's much more difficult to be relevant and an expert in the eye of Google. So adding that additional content and those keywords would really ensure that you would get onto that front page. So that was content. I just wanted to cover that real quick. If we did a quick search for gas line repair Santa Monica, there's no ads above this, but we do see this right here, and this is called the Map Pack. And the top 3 listed here are going to receive a lot of the work just because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. So we would want, or you would want to begin ranking in this Map Pack section as well. And then if I scroll down to these websites below here, these are called organic, and the same things apply here. You want to be on the front page and ideally within these top 3 positions so that the most amount of people will be able to find your site, right? So the first 2 are Yelp. These are directories. Google prefers local websites opposed to these, so these are pretty easy to beat out. HomeAdvisor, this is a location page. This is also a location page. Most of these are. So let's take a look at Ritz Plumbing and their location page for Santa Monica. Now, right away, we can see that they have a good amount of content on here. They're listing all of the services that they provide. And this is just a location page for Santa Monica, right? So they're not located in Santa Monica. They have a location page here. And they're definitely going after certain keywords, like Santa Monica plumbing services right here, Santa Monica plumber. So they're really going after those keywords for Santa Monica. And no, it's not gas leak, but I believe they also handle gas leaks. So let's go ahead and take a look at this website's rating. I use a tool called Ahrefs. I went ahead and plugged it in so we can kind of see what we're up against here. The second thing I wanted to cover today is the UR and the DR ratings, these 2 numbers right here. So the UR rating, this is your trust rating. This is how much trust the website has in Google's eyes. And the DR rating, this is the strength rating. So this is how much strength the website has in the eyes of Google. And these 2 numbers are generally increased by something called backlinks. And the way a backlink works, all it means is that there's a website out there that's pointing back to your website or linking back to your website. And in the eyes of Google, it's kind of like a popularity contest, right? The more websites you have pointing back at you, the more trust and the more strength you'll have. So we see here that they have 18 backlinks coming from 8 other websites or referring domains. And out of those 8 domains, we can see that 7 of them here are sharing their power or their DR rating with this website. The last thing that I wanted to cover with you today is it's these organic keywords right here. So these are the keywords and the search terms that we were talking about before, right? So we can see here that plumber Santa Monica, California, that keyword or search term is being looked up 80 times a month, and they are getting some traffic from it because they're sitting in the 3rd position. Another one, plumbers Santa Monica, another 70 searches per month. They're getting some traffic from that because they are ranked number 3 for that keyword. Let's do one more. Let's look at here, plumbing supply Santa Monica. I don't know if you guys supply stuff, but it's just an example. Another time, they have 100, that keyword or search term has 100 people searching it per month, and they're not ranking too high on it, so they're not getting a lot of traffic. So there's a lot of keywords that you can go after as well and put them on your website just to clarify what services you offer, the areas you work in, and stuff like that. But these are just the keywords that this specific website is targeting. Now, if I click on the position, I can kind of see which ones they're ranking for the best. And we can see that they're doing an okay job. They're getting a little bit of traffic coming in through these keywords right here, like plumber Santa Monica. They're getting 8 people roughly. Santa Monica plumbing, 7 right here. Now, if we go take a look over here, I went ahead and plugged your guys' website into here. We can see that you guys have a trust rating of 14, and you guys don't have a strength rating quite yet. So the issue here is you guys don't have a strong enough backlink profile. And then we go into your guys' keywords. We can kind of do the same thing. I can position them to kind of see which ones you guys are ranking for the best, and then kind of go from there. So let's see, gas plumbing services, 150 people are searching that per month. You guys are on the first page, I believe, kind of towards the bottom. So you guys are getting a little bit of traffic from there. But as we kind of scroll down into these keywords here, we see that you guys are going lower and lower in the position here, and you guys aren't getting any traffic from that. So what I see a lot is the issue really falls within these keywords and not targeting them enough. So you guys are ranking for certain keywords, but I would recommend being aggressive with how you guys are going after these keywords and and try to rank them as high as possible. So that's pretty much it. Those were the things I wanted to cover with you today. I hope this video has been super helpful. It carried on a little bit longer than I anticipated. I apologize about that. If you do want to know more about how we can help you out, feel free to reach out to me via email or my phone number. If not, no worries. I just wanted to get this information in front of you guys. I do ask for a little bit of feedback on these videos just to know how I did. But appreciate you guys taking the time to speak with me and watch this video. I hope you guys have a great one.